Hey guys, before we start, this is something that's it's very important in the video games industry, or when you're doing any kinds of cycles and walks, is the tangents. So what do I mean by the tangents? And I'll show you what I mean. Matching the tangents. When you first do a cycle when we're blocking and we're doing everything and you cycle, so what happens is we need to cycle all our animations. So let's, for example, just have these on constant for now, just for example. Normally you will find it like this. When it's not cycled, which it won't be, it'll be like this. As soon as you add cycle, if you look at these tangents here, they're going ease in and ease in out, and then it's going to cycle back here. So you're going to get a ease in, ease out. Then it's going to ease in, ease out while it's playing an animation. And you'll find at the end, there'll be a little delay, then back to the speed, delay, back to speed. And you're always thinking, well, what's that? What that is, or what is very likely to be, is that your tangents aren't matching. So what you do is just select the tangents and you're moving them like this. See, when you move them, you see it changes here. So you're moving them down and you're just matching. That's all you're doing. You're matching. So it's smooth. So it goes from next pose to another. You'll find this a lot in our idle. All of the series of in-game classes I'm doing will all have this, because if I keep talking about it, it'll start coming second nature. It's so important, because a lot of times when juniors go in, they fall victim to this when they got their first job and they're thinking, why is the cycle not working, this and that. In my experience, the teachers might be more better now, at showing that, but I never got this when I first started. So this is very important. So this is just a quick video that we will be doing this on everything, on the torso, on the hips, torso, head, everything, arms, making sure everything's matching just right. So that's just a quick video I wanted to show you on tangents, really important. And we're going to talk more about that as we do the classes. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.